Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza North Pole.
The vortex, polar vortex version.
This is Nick Schmidt.
It's supposed to be sunshine state RVs. Today I feel like it's cold state RVs.
It's cold.
Oh,
it's cold.
dude, it's like in the 30s.
There's people out there right now saying, you Florida guys are complaining.
Well,
We're buried in snow.
The sun is shining still, though. As long as we got sun, I'm happy. We got sun.
I don't see it, but oh yeah, there
it is behind
it's
you.
It's right behind us, right there.
Right, it is shining.
It's not doing its job today.
It is not. It is
so
not.
what's up, man?
Farther from the sun? Is that why it's cold?
I guess.
When it's hot, are we closer to the sun? How does that deal work?
I guess that's logical.
I should have went to weather school or something.
I guess that makes some kind of logical sense. Today, we are talking about the Midwest Heritage.
Yes.
Line, and we're talking about the RV Super Show.
Tampa RV Tampa Super Show or Tampa RV Super Show.
Yeah, I always mess it up.
I call it something different every
I thought
time.
it was the RV Super Show.
In Tampa?
Yeah, right? No.
RV Super Show?
I always mess it up and then Lola gets mad.
It is a Super Show.
Yeah.
And it is in Tampa and it has RVs. So it's some formulation of that is what we're talking about today.
Exactly.
And trying to find a way to stay warm. But it's next week.
It's extra cold.
It's January, whatever, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th.
Right,
so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all 5 days.
Right.
We're going to be in Tampa at the Super Show, and we're going to have Midwest Heritages there. So Heritage is a brand new line from Midwest. Just came out within the last year. And man, they are stinking awesome. They're like their cool modern line. So the cabinets are more modern. They got some really unique stuff in their Heritage. And they're debuting something brand spanking new. We will have the Heritage there. I will be in the booth with the Heritages with Ron Preston, the Jolly Green Giant.
This is his weather right here.
His Notre Dame Irish are playing tonight in the college football playoff. He's all excited.
Who's going to win? I don't know. I don't know anything about football.
He says Notre Dame is going to win, so we'll see tonight.
Who's playing who?
Notre Dame's playing.
But who are they playing? Are they playing themselves?
I don't remember.
Oh, okay.
I can look, though. I forgot.
I don't know how this works exactly.
What do you mean you don't know how it works? You don't know who plays football? I mean, it's the college football playoff.
No, I don't know anything about sports.
Notre Dame plays Ohio State.
Oh, there you go.
That's right.
Okay. All right. Yeah, so you guys can tell us who's going to win whenever this goes
Notre
up.
Dame plays Penn State. What am I? I'm a football fan. I don't even remember this.
So, because we're getting the brand new hotness at the show, we don't have them here.
They're going straight,
I think Ron sent you some stuff.
Ron sent some pictures and videos, so we'll be playing that throughout this short video.
Should we go into one of these vans?
We can. So
look at my fingers are frozen.
Yes, your fingers are frozen. Yes. This is an FD2, so this is a 19-foot, and this is an MD4, so this is a 20.
So this is the short.
We are going to have a short one there at the show, a short Heritage. I mean, it's all-wheel drive to start with. That comes from Mercedes.
Okay.
But they're doing some really cool stuff with some roof racks, some ladders, different wheels, bike rack, and the interior is going to be different as well. So they are debuting that. No one's ever seen it. It has not been released. They are debuting it at the show this next week.
Hey, Nick and Hank. I am here in Midwest Home Designs Factory at the end of the line. And we have our beautiful new Heritage that we're going to be showing this year of 2025 Tampa show. And I just want to give you a sneak peek, okay? This is going to be in the Sunshine State booth, the red booth, the Midwest booth. And I'm just so excited to show it off. So come on and take a look. So this is our brand new teak interior Heritage. As you can see, it's just gorgeous. It really resembles a nice yacht, which has always been what Midwest is all about, right? We're giving you luxury on wheels. Obviously the beautiful handle coming in here, the beautiful woven floor, our brand new teak wood. And imagine, this is the more entry-level Midwest. So you can only imagine the things we're going to start making for our Patriot as well. Just absolutely gorgeous. Crystal, can you come in here real quick? Crystal's handling the phone. She's our amazing PDI department. She runs it all here. One thing I wanted to show Crystal was this beautiful new radius cabinetry going down the side here. As you can see, this is not a flat mount. Even the doors here are radius, just gorgeous. All the lines going down the side, radius, halo lighting, a 1080 Freedom package, Timberline, Gree AC of course, and something that people have really been asking for, a new memory foam rear bed. So now we're a lot more cushiony back here, it's a little more comfortable, just a beautiful ambiance. And I'm just so excited to get this out there to the public because this is what they've been wanting. And so happy to give it to them at a better price point too, because times have been rough out there for everyone, and Midwest understands that. So not only are we going to give you a better looking product, we're gonna have a cheaper product as well. So I'm so excited. Can't wait to see you guys down there. See ya.
Cool.
Really, really
So
cool.
if people are looking for this booth, are they looking, what are they searching on the thing?
Midwest Automotive.
Okay.
For the Heritage. So it's
For the
right
Heritage.
on what they would call Main Street. Where
Okay.
the two lakes are on the sides. You come out of the main building, right on Main Street, right on the corner.
Oh, so that should be easy.
Should be
easy
very
to find.
easy, yeah.
Yeah. Do we need to look around this
Well,
one?
we just
Yeah, let's look. Take
I'm
a
just
look.
gonna have the upgraded wheels. It's gonna
Yeah.
have the lift.
So, but the steps won't be like this, right? They'll be like your overlanding type
Yes,
steps?
yes.
Okay,
They're doing
cool.
overlanding running boards. And the inside's gonna be different, but size-wise, it's gonna be 19 foot. So it's gonna look like this. It is gonna be the Freedom package, so no propane. It's gonna have 1,080 amp hours of lithium. New floors are doing, new color cabinetry, but it's gonna be super
Oh, okay, cool.
unique.
I noticed this has a Dometic AC in there.
This one does.
Okay.
The one that's there is gonna have a Gree air conditioner.
Great.
The bathroom
or if you
will be
guys
the
can
same.
see in the bathroom, but it's gonna be like this, right?
It is.
So
Exact
okay,
same
very
bathroom.
cool.
Well, what's cool, it's gonna have, all the Mercedes stuff, the power door, the Firefly, adaptive cruise, push button start. So it's gonna have all. It's
So
gonna have
who
all
buys this? Who buys a shorter?
The shorter one still has all the same luxuries as the longer one, and it's 19 foot, so you can really get it anywhere, do anything with it. It's great for 1 or 2 people.
Yeah.
It's probably not great
Yeah,
for
easy to park.
a bigger family. Very easy to park, easy to handle.
Yeah.
Not dual wheels, so just single wheels in the back. So this is one of the best selling. I mean, overlanding wise,
Yeah.
this is what everyone's building this for the
Yeah.
overland.
So,
we will
yeah.
have 19 foot Heritages, and we're gonna have the extended version,
Yeah.
the 24 foot Heritage MD2s. They'll have MD4s and an MD3, which has 3 seats in it and a big fridge, which is nice.
Oh,
Some
okay.
people like that extra seat belt.
Yeah.
Some very unique stuff. Like I said, Eco Freedom. So it has no propane. 1,080 amp hours of lithium. Everyone we have in the display will have that.
Okay.
They'll also have nice wheels. Everything that you've grown to love about the full luxury of Midwest is going
Okay.
to be in the Heritage. It's just a little more modern. The cabinets don't have handles.
Yeah.
They're very, very
It looks
modern.
like they changed
a
their
lot of
wood.
lighting.
Let's go in this one.
Let's go in it.
Yeah, I've frozen enough out here.
They've also changed their floors out. In the Heritages, they're going to have a new color floor, a new type of flooring, some like linen, tweed style floor.
I really like this kind of wood.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, this
It's
is nice.
so nice.
Is this
So nice.
milkweed or something you call it?
This is.
Okay, yeah.
Tampa's probably one of my favorite weeks of the year work-wise. I know we've talked about that before, but just there's so much energy there. It's so fun to be around. It's like a circus and a fair, and
Yeah.
you get some of the best
cool.
fried
Yeah.
food in the world. Fried Oreos,
Yeah.
fried donuts.
We get to see all those real expensive RVs that we never go in.
the $2 million Class A's.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in them on Tuesday.
Do you think people would like to see me go into those big,
I
ridiculous?
think they'd like to see you buy one.
Yeah. Once again, if I buy something like that, Lola will have an excuse so I don't have to live in the house with her. Go, stay over there and do all your own stuff.
No,
but
we
it's fun. It's a fun show.
So on Tuesday is
Yeah.
Industry Day.
Yeah.
So there's no customers there yet. So I'm gonna be walking around looking at RVs.
Yeah.
We should go walk through a Prevost on Tuesday. That'd be
yeah.
fun.
Usually you have to make an appointment for those things.
Really?
Remember, it's all big ballerness going on, man. We're not on that level
We're
yet.
not on that level, but the level we are on is a Midwest Heritage level.
Yeah.
That's the level one.
So what do you think is the big takeaway? Because we haven't seen it yet,
We have not.
except for whatever teaser
We've seen a
shots
few
or
pictures,
whatever we've
a few
seen.
videos.
Yeah. How do you think the folks are going to take this at the show when they come into the?
You know what
booth to
I
take a
like
look
about
at
it? I like that it's the whole wall is cabinets. And then I like there's no handles and it's a real modern look. Whole wall is gonna be cabinets and then they're very modern, no handles, but it just has a really cool look, real high-end, modern, luxury look to it. It's just different. It's not better, it's not worse.
Let's look at this bathroom here before someone complains.
Nobody
I didn't
complains.
let them see the
You're the
fan.
only one that complains.
I'm the only person.
You are.
Whenever I don't show the bathroom, they get mad. At the show, when someone comes and sees a brand new Heritage that doesn't exist yet,
It exists, it's just not here in Gainesville.
can they actually buy that thing? Are they seeing prototypes?
No,
or
they can buy the ones that are there.
Oh, okay.
They're able to buy them, and then
Is the heat on these seats?
the heat is not on these
Oh
seats.
my God.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay. What are you cuddling with me over here?
Yeah, we're gonna have to double up for the body heat here, man. This is too
So-
cold. I thought it was gonna be better inside.
No. So people ask this question all the time. When I buy it at an RV show, what happens? Do I drive it home? Well, no, you can't drive it through the RV show because there's people everywhere. We have to, whatever RV is in the show has to stay in the show.
Right.
What the RV police will not let us drive RVs through the show.
Yeah.
They're very strict and they know me by
you're not
name.
even allowed to turn those things on too long.
No,
while you're out
they
there,
know me and Corey by name because me and Corey
Lots of visits have
push
happened.
we push the rules sometimes. But what's cool is you put a deposit on it, and then you come back here, and you get the same experience if you're buying it right here from the lot, because you will be. You're not buying it from there. Some people are like, oh, I really wanted the walkthrough. No, you're going to get the full 2-hour, 3-hour walkthrough.
It's important what you do to get that walkthrough, and then to let people camp out.
Makes a world
and let
of
them
difference.
discover things. Because I think, first of all, the walkthrough is kind of overwhelming for a lot of folks.
Yeah.
Which I recommend you kind of like record it for yourself.
Yep.
Just so you have an idea, but it's still overwhelming. Yep. So being able to go camp, and then you come up with issues, and you could come back to your dealer and deal with it. It's efficient. It is, and we put you up for the first 2 nights at the campground. So you get the walkthrough, then you go to the campground for the first 2 nights. Any issues you find, you forget something, we're there with you to help you through all of it. So you get that whole same experience. You just get the better deal or a good deal buying it at a show. And you get to see the latest and the greatest, the newest, the hotness, as you call it. Don't feel guilty about taking your time and asking all the questions you want to take to ask before you go.
And that's why I recommend people coming early. So come on Wednesday or Thursday. So that way, if you don't see anything you like, you can go home. But if you see something you like, you can think about it, come back Friday, Saturday. A lot of times I see people come Wednesday or Thursday, they look around, they go back to the hotel, they spend a half a day kind of like, okay, we like this from their pros and cons list. And then they've narrowed it down to 2. And they come back like Friday, they look through those 2 more. And then they're like, okay, this is what we want. Then they come back either late Friday, early Saturday, and they sit down, they're okay, what's the deal on this? And then they put a deposit on Saturday.
There you go. Take your time.
Take your time.
That's
no
the
rush.
tip. Yeah, you don't have to rush through it. You won't know everything. You have to actually get out there and drive it and live the adventure, and then you'll start learning about.
I'm on the phone yesterday with somebody who and there is, you definitely want to take your time, but some of the deals at the show are just on those RVs.
Oh, okay.
So if you do take your time too long,
right,
you might miss out.
Well, because everyone waits for this show to get the deals, because it's the big show.
It is the big show.
And I understand that. That's just tactics.
Yes. And the prices aren't always better at a show like this. Sometimes, they might throw in like we're doing an electric bike giveaway. So in the Midwest display, the Heritage display, there will be 2 electric bikes there, e-bikes.
Right.
And we will be giving
my favorite e-bikes.
We will be giving them away with a raffle. So there'll be a QR code there. You scan it, and then you can win. I mean, that's almost $5,000 worth of bikes you can win for free.
Awesome bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Lectric stands behind their stuff.
They're good.
So they have all their customer service folks right here in America.
They're actually going to be there
in Arizona.
Too.
Oh,
so,
cool. Yeah.
2 of their guys from Lectric are going to be at the show.
Cool.
In the display with with Coachman or Midwest, and
they're very popular amongst RVers, including the van folks. So
and they make a light version you can throw on the back.
Yeah, you could fold them.
We'll have a bike rack there with electric bikes on it, so you can see how they look. And so we're going to do some cool stuff.
Sweet. So we'll see everyone out there at the show. Like I said, if you want something like what we're sitting in right now, you can talk to the folks in the Sunshine State RV booth about that.
Yeah.
You can look at the videos if you want to and all that. But just from the little I've seen, people will be excited to see the Heritage.
Yes.
Just because it's so fresh out of the oven.
It's so cool. I'm telling you, when you see the pictures that Hank is flashing on the screen, you're going to be like, whoa, that's cool. Like super modern, nice lighting, LED up lighting, LED down lighting. Like they've done some cool stuff in the Heritage.
And a little bit more affordable as well in the Heritage. So you'll be bouncing around.
I will be between Road Trek, Midwest, Chinook, Westphalia, Coachman. But you'll be at Coachman the whole time.
Yes, I will be there.
You'll be at Coachman Nova the entire time.
Yes, close to gate 3. People
in
want
the
to come
building.
hang
She'll
out
be
with
inside in a building.
Yes.
So it won't be as cold as it is now.
I don't know. Depends on whether there's heat in there. There was never probably ever heat in there because it was never necessary.
Yes, well definitely come
hopefully
by,
it warms up.
Look for Hank, find him, I'll be there.
Come hang out with me. Keep me warm. So we'll see you guys out at the show.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're out of here.
See you.
Peace.